A lot of sound designers or composers want to work on really cool indie games. And I don't blame them. Indie games rule, that's why I focus on that area. And so people will wonder, okay, so how do I get a job at an indie company? Do I just submit a resume? No, indies don't care about that sort of stuff very much. Sometimes they do, but it's not very common. So what I recommend you do, and you'll notice this as a through line from everything I'm doing, is you start talking to people and networking and going to indie meetups. You don't ask for a job, you don't beg for anything, you just learn about other people's projects and study how they work and get better on your own or with other people, with your peers, and bring yourself and those around you up through hard work. Build things, work on free projects, work on student projects, and gradually get paid more and more and more as you get more experience. Learn the business skills, learn social skills, learn communication skills, learn Unity, learn Unreal, learn Fmod and Wise. And gradually over time, you'll start to inundate yourself into the indie community, which is pretty small. Everyone kind of knows each other. And then you'll start to get jobs. People will start to trust you. But don't go straight for the top and ask someone, oh, can I please work on this big new indie game even though I'm just starting in the industry? No one's going to trust you in that point. You want to work with people who are at a similar level. And once you start doing that, you'll all grow together and work on cooler and cooler projects. So if you enjoyed that game audio FAQ, please make sure to subscribe and click the little bell so you get notified, literally what every other YouTuber on the planet tells you to do. And also sign up for my newsletter where I give you access to 2 free courses that'll teach you how to work, negotiate, network, and get paid in the game industry.